Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer at home. First, you will need to gather your essential equipment. This includes a 5-gallon fermenter, an airlock, and a bottling bucket. It is absolutely critical to sanitize everything that will touch your beer to prevent any unwanted flavors. Finally, select a recipe kit or individual ingredients to brew your preferred beer style. This foundational step ensures a clean and delicious final product. Next, we move to the mashing and boiling phases. Mash your grains at a temperature between 150 and 158 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes to extract fermentable sugars. Then, sparge the grains with hot water to rinse out any remaining sugars, creating a sweet liquid called wort. Boil this wort for 60 minutes, adding hops at precise intervals to achieve your desired bitterness and aromatic profile. Now it is time for fermentation, where the magic truly happens. Rapidly cool your wort to a temperature between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial before pitching your yeast. Carefully transfer the cooled wort into a sanitized fermenter, then introduce your selected yeast strain. Allow the beer to ferment undisturbed for 1 to 2 weeks, ensuring a consistent temperature throughout this vital period for optimal flavor development. Finally, we reach the bottling and conditioning stage. Prepare a priming sugar solution and gently add it to your sanitized bottling bucket. This sugar will provide the carbonation. Carefully siphon your fermented beer into sanitized bottles or a keg, ensuring you leave a small amount of headspace. Condition your bottles for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature, allowing the beer to naturally carbonate and develop its full flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.